Mango season is here and I've received some fresh mangoes from a friend's farm. So during this season, making Aamras is must. I make it every year though, but somehow I skipped making a video of it. So today I thought, why not, I'm making Aamras for lunch. Let me record and share the video with all of you. So let's make the delicious Aamras.
Aamras is so irresistible. It's a perfect treat for summer. Serve it chilled with puris. A perfect combo ever. So delicious.
So before consuming the mangoes, it's important that we soak them in water. So I did it in the morning. I selected the few ripe ones that were overripe, a bit softer. They'll be perfect to make the Aamras. So at least 2 to 3 hours you have to soak them before eating the mangoes. This brings out the heat from the mangoes and you will not get any boils. As they say that if you eat a lot of mangoes during summer season, you might end up getting a lot of boils. So this will prevent that.
Now let's cut the mangoes and remove the juicy flesh or pulp. Scoop it out with the help of a spoon. It comes out very easily. There we go. This is from 3 mangoes. Now transfer this into a grinder jar. If you wish, you can add little bit of sugar, but for Aamras I think you need to add a bit. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of organic brown sugar. You can add the normal sugar too. And here is saffron soaked in milk. It gives amazing flavors to this. Little bit of cardamom powder. Now close the lid and grind it to a smooth pulp. Perfect. Now you can taste little bit so that if anything is needed you can adjust to your liking. Remove it into a bowl and chill it. Meanwhile, let's make the puris. Take wheat flour as required and add little salt. And add very little oil, less than a teaspoon. Mix them together. Make sure you don't add too much oil there. Puris will become very oily and soak all the oil while frying. Now add water little by little and knead the dough. As the flour is in small quantity, we should add the water very carefully. Now we are going to rest it for a while. Now before rolling out the puris, knead the dough again very well. Look at the texture, it is so nice, soft and smooth. I'm going to roll out tiny puris like they make in Gujarati homes. They pair so well with Aamras. If you wish, you can make larger size too. Look at the size and thickness. This way, roll out all the puris and keep them ready while the oil is getting hot. Once it is hot, drop puris into it fry them, pushing oil with a ladle on top of the puri so that it puffs up well. Look at this, lovely. Same way, fry all the puris. Aamras is chilled enough. If you wish, you could garnish it with some dry fruits. However, it is optional. If you like, you can add some. Garma garam puris are ready. So, enjoy them. What a lovely and enjoyable meal to have in summer. Such cute little puris and chilled Aamras to go with them. Let's do the tasting together. Can't wait. Simply divine. And chilled Aamras, superb. Thank you for watching, dear friends. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out as well. And happy cooking. Stay tuned for the next video.